Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Allen here again for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday, the 1st of May. This is for nursery reception year 1 and year 2. As well as that, today we're going to have lots of shout outs to children who've been doing so much work at home, and your parents have been posting lots and lots on Tapestry. So we've got some shout outs going first. And our first lot of shout outs first from Miss Wright in nursery are these superstars. And you'll see Matilda, Emily, Keely, Mason, Esme, Charlotte, Ollie and Georgia. Thank you guys. Keep working hard. You absolute superstars. It's lovely to see all this amazing creative work that's going on. The baking, the cooking, the colouring, reading. Absolutely brilliant, guys. So please keep that up. It's amazing to see. But the golden ticket for nursery this week goes to Ava. Amazing, Ava. Well done, hun. There she is, holding her plank, doing a bit of exercise. She's been reading. She's been working really hard with her maths. She's been trying to do something every single day. So well done, Ava. Look out for that golden ticket. It's winging in the way in the post to you very soon. So please do watch out for it. Huge congratulations, Ava. Well done. In reception, in Turtle class, we have shout-outs for Caden, Sophia, Noah, Bartos, Beatrice, Lily, Scarlett, Rebecca, Danilius, and Sophie. Look at all that amazing work that's gone on there, guys. Please keep it up. It's so fantastic to see you all doing your maths and your art. You're doing your reading. Scarlett's got her reading record there. Please keep up. Well done, guys. Keep putting on Tapestry. It's lovely to see all that amazing work. Now, Turtle class, golden ticket. It goes to Scarlett Bale. Scarlett, superb, hun. Well done. Watch out for that golden ticket winging its way to you. I love that photo of you there with all that sort of cherry blossom. It's absolutely beautiful. Fantastic. Keep up the amazing work you are posting every single day. Thank you, Mum. Brilliant. Look out for that golden ticket, Scarlett. It's winging its way to you. In Shark class, we have Miss Hall's superstars. Look at these. We've got Ava, Olivia, Casey May, Savannah, Orson, Logan, Freddie and Woody, all needing a shout out because they're amazing work on Tapestry. Orson, that looks fantastic there with the clothes, and that rainbow is just brilliant. That just made me smile. What a fantastic rainbow with all different things that you put in there with, obviously, siblings, clothes, all different things to make up the colours rainbow. Brilliant. But the golden ticket goes to Eliza, you little superstar. Look at you working furiously every single day, working away. You've been working so hard, especially with your sounds and your maths. So please do keep that, Eliza. Look out for that golden ticket. It is coming on its way, super fast in the post. Look out for it very soon. Congratulations, Eliza. Well deserved. In year 1, Miss Ruffles superstars. Look at these superstars. We've got Jackson, we've got Ruby, Oliver, Levi, Michael, Luke, Muntaha, Omo, Rebecca, Rosie, Sky and Daria. Brilliant, guys. You absolute superstars. You have been posting so much on Tapestry. Please keep it up. Working hard. It's lovely to see. I am so proud of every single one of you. The golden ticket goes to Tyler, you superstar, Tyler. What an amazing piece of writing. You've got capital letters, finger spaces. It's joined up and you've got full stops on there. Brilliant. Everything spelled correctly. Tyler, you absolute superstar. You are working so hard. Huge congratulations. Look out for that golden ticket. It is winging its way to you very soon. Huge congratulations and well deserved. Brilliant, Tyler, you superstar. Keep it up, the good work. In Miss Begum's class, look at these guys. Wow, we've got Luna, we've got Olivia, we've got Ebony, we've got Esma, Jacob, we've got Lee, Perla, Gabby, Charlie, Rosie, Mia May and Alfie. You guys have been working so hard. Please do keep it up. Some fantastic work from your maths, your writing, your doing your reading, even a bit of artwork. Gabby with her amazing rainbow there as well. Please do keep it up, guys. It's wonderful to see how much you are putting on Tapestry. The golden ticket for Miss Begum goes to Robbie, you superstar, Robbie. Brilliant, buddy. You can see there you've been completing so much work, doing creative activities at home with his family. Particularly proud of how hard he's been working in maths. Well done. Keep it up, Robbie. Robbie, look out for that golden ticket, buddy. I am so proud of you. It's winging its way in the post to you, you absolute superstar. So do look out for it. Huge congratulations and well done. Moving on to year 2. Now, Miss Hawkins, superstars, look at these. You've got Pandora, you've got here. Lexi's work there. You've got Mia's amazing drawing. Eric and Milana. And then Sad old Savannah there. Look, it looks so lonely there, just at the school gates. It just looks so awful. But we will be back soon. I know we will. When we do, we'll be packed there. So, but it's lovely to see you there at school and paying us a little visit as well. But well done, all of you. Super amount of work you are putting on to Tapestry. Please keep that up. Thank you. Miss Halkins' golden ticket is going to Joseph, you superstar. Look at him. He has been working so hard at home, working really nicely with his sister in the garden. I keep mentioning about that, getting on with your brothers, your sisters and family and trying to be as helpful as you possibly can. Looks like he's grown a bit of a tomato plant there, as well as his golden tickets, you'll see. He's been completing 5-minute challenges, reading and working hard on his work packs. Well done, Joseph. I love seeing your hard work and pictures of what you've been up to. Super effort, Joseph. Keep it up, buddy. Look out for that golden ticket. A real one's winging in the way in the post to you very shortly. So please look out for it. Brilliant. Well done, buddy. In Mrs. Cook's, look at these superstars. You've got Abe, Diego, Tilly, Marshall, Thea, Daniel, Nicodem, and Alea. Super work, guys. Your year twos are just amazing. So much work. Getting out and about as well, keeping fit as well. Brilliant, guys. Please do keep that. Keep posting on Tapestry. Keep all that amazing work. Keep your reading up as well. It's lovely to see. The golden ticket for Mrs. Cook goes to Tilly, you little superstar. Amazing work. Super, I absolutely love that. Looks like you've used all your thumbprints, all the prints to make that amazing rainbow. But the work you've been posting is just fantastic. Please keep it up. Look out for that golden ticket, Tilly. You absolute superstar. Everything, your reading, your maths, your English, all of it, it's superb, hun. So please do keep it up and watch out for that golden ticket. Well deserved, Tilly, you little superstar. Keep up the amazing work. Congratulations. Finally, just from me, it's just a huge thank you, everyone, for all your amazing work, everything that you're doing. You're staying home, everyone's staying safe, staying well, doing all your work, putting it on Tapestry. Please do keep it up. And if we can keep everyone safe, hopefully we'll see each other very soon. Please take care, everyone, and bye-bye for now.